We are approaching the farm now. It's been about 8 hours travelling. I think it's there. I'm not sure. Well, basically the Catfarm is a farm, a community where people who live here actually contribute to building the place. So they built all the electrical and the water systems because it's not connected to the main system of the nearest town, which is over there, Poussin. So basically people who live here use their knowledge to sort of contribute to the community somehow. There's some artists who come here and do paintings and things like that. This is the main house. Only a couple of people sleep here. The volunteers hang out in that hangout there. I'll show you that in a minute. Over there you have the garden. Well, one of the garden patches that we've got in the farm. We grow a few different things here. It's not ready for picking yet, but we've got cucumber, carrots, things like that. Over here on this side, you've got the kitchen. So this is the main kitchen we use for cooking. We've got one volunteer that is mainly responsible for cooking, but obviously we all help. All the food here is mostly vegan. Sometimes you have some vegetarian things, but it's mainly never meat. Definitely not meat. This is the bathroom. You come over here. There's a bathtub there that no one really uses. There's me and the sink. This is one of the toilets, and this is the shower. Look how beautiful the shower is. All the mosaic is so pretty. The procedure is, there is like a barrel, if you may, with a lid on. You remove that lid and then you come in here. Well, you poop and then you put some sawdust to sort of help with the smell, I guess. And that's it. This is the hangar. This is my bed. Let me show you my bed. That's my bed. That's my stuff. And then we've got another bed here where Maddie's sleeping. We sometimes have meals here if it's raining or cold outside, although it's very hot these days. This is a second kitchen, like a support kitchen, and we have a second bathroom there. We have this phone. It's interesting because you can call this phone like any normal phone, but it also rings when there's no electricity. So I have been awakened by this phone a few times while I'm here. Get used to it. This farm is actually on Airbnb, so you can stay here. You will potentially book a TP, or if you're feeling more adventurous, you can actually sleep in a car. Inside, there's a sound system and all that you can connect to your phone via Bluetooth. Get an amazing view. You also get the boot where you can put your stuff in. There's a plug and obviously the bed. It's pretty cool. That's Maddie there, hiding behind the hammock. Yeah, that's my home for 2 weeks.
We should do this. Everyone has to like just randomly scroll through through their photos, and then Bianca has to pick a photo, and whichever one it is goes on your Facebook page.
Forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met.
I can't weed if you lie on the weed. That's not gonna work.
I'm gonna use this to throw on Guillaume. He's very focused. It's the morning, he's like, oh, I'm very calm, meditating. It's gonna surprise him a lot.
Okay, I'll go behind.
Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love.
Right, this is our final day at the farm. We're finalising the last project. Heading down the fences around this beautiful patch. Look how beautiful it is.
You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete.
Show them, Insky, show them.
Get the first. High five. That's on all.
My love is forever yours.
Like Indian Harry Potter. I'll do it for you.